Today we're going to be replacing this wreath with one for Remembrance Day. I have some thin cardboard and we're going to use this water bottle for our first circle. And I have a smaller water bottle that we're going to use for the inside. It looks thin, but we're going to bulk it up with fabric. Now we'll just cut it out. It doesn't need to be perfect because adding the fabric will help round everything out. So that's our basic wreath form. For the body of the wreath, I'm going to use this black felt. I'm going to cut some long strips to wrap around the wreath form. It doesn't matter exactly how wide they are as long as they're roughly the same width. I'm just eyeballing 3 or 4 strips. They're probably around 3/8 of an inch, maybe 1/2 inch at most. Now that we have our strips and our wreath form, we're going to glue this strip on and start wrapping it all the way around. I'm going to glue it on at a bit of an angle so that when I wrap it around, the layers overlap a bit. And then every 3rd or 4th wrap, I'll add another dab of glue to secure it. And there we have our basic wreath. Now we'll use this red felt to make our poppies. I'll just cut off a bit. Fold it over a few times. And cut out a rough circle. And that gives us several poppy flowers. I'm going to round them out a bit more. Now I'll take one and put a tiny amount of glue in the middle, then fold it in half, and fold it in half again to make a tiny poppy flower. I'm going to use some scraps of black that I'm going to slide into the center of our little poppies. And now we can arrange them on our wreath. And there's our finished poppy wreath. At the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, I hope you'll take a moment to remember those who have served.